Where to find the color filter tool, which is part of the accessibility settings found on your Samsung phone with One UI 7.0. Not all Samsung phones will have this color filter tool, but if it does, you will find it and it's known as color filter. So go ahead and pull down the quick access as you would always do and go into the settings toggle by tapping here, this one right there. Once in this section here, you can choose to type in the words color filter and search down the suggestions here like this, color filter. And you're gonna go down the list and look for it, all right? And it would be under accessibility settings. If it's not there for some odd reason, you can also go down this list of settings here and look for the accessibility, this right here. Once you go into the accessibility section, you'll go to vision enhancements, this right here. Then from here, you'll go down until you see the color filter right there. As you enter here now, you have two ways of accessing this here. You can either turn it on and off from here, and when you turn it on, you can choose the different colors available as the filter. This may just be useful for some of us who have been looking for this here, and you can adjust the transparency of the color itself. To the far right is darker, and to the far left is going to be lighter, okay? Now, let's just say we want this to be accessed as a shortcut. So you can go here, tap on the words. Don't turn it on from here because you want to see how to turn this on. So when you turn it on from here, you can choose to either have the little tap the button here in the quick settings here, which would be in the quick panel access, and you're going to look for the color filter tool, which usually is in this area here, and you'll look for it and it's found right here. Okay, that's when you enable that one there. Okay, so that would be for this setting here. Now, if you want that little human icon that usually appears down there, you'll see it now here that it shows up. And there's another way to do this. Go here and you can have it as a floating icon, which is this here, or in the navigation bar. Now, if you want and you're using the swipe gestures, you can use the volume keys to also access this here. And if you do accidentally turn this on by mistake time to time, then it could be that you're pressing down on the buttons here on your side there. So you want to make sure you uncheck this or simply just disable the shortcut if you don't like any of them. All right. Now, once you turn this off here, the shortcut will not be accessible anymore unless you turn it back on. But that's how you would go about using the color filter. Like and sub.